everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Knitcrate, so I thought I'd show you what I got in my Knitcrate. So let's take a look at what came in Knitcrate. Make sure I got everything out. Alright, so here is the inspiration card right there, and it says conservatory right there, and there's the pictures. And make sure, there we go. Here were the colors that were available: clay pot, rainfall, conservatory, and these two here on the end were the sock colors. And so for me, I got clay pot, and that's the color right there. And this is Knitology Wisp here, and it's called clay pot. It's 100% merino wool and a DK weight, 236 yards, and it is hand wash, and there are two of them, and you can see how it's spun, and they are soft and squishy as always. And I did not take a look at the patterns yet. And then with it, our extra was this book, and obviously it has the elastic band. It's got a nice cover on it. When you open it up, you got your blank page, but it's got all these nice pages in it. It's got quite a few actually. So it's a really nice book with the elastic band to hold your pages and hold your space, hold your place in there. So, oh, and the other thing I almost forgot to show you was it also has a bookmarker. So that's a really nice touch. So you have your bookmarker and a way to keep your book closed. So that's a nice book for keeping notes and stuff. So I really did like this. I appreciated this. It's a nice book. So that was pretty good for Knitcrate for this month. The book and the 2 hanks of yarn, and of course the card. And I still haven't looked at the patterns yet. I need to go look at those. So that's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.